So the companies should really look at how they can apply AI. What is it that they want to do with AI? Where is it that they will have the biggest bang for the buck in terms of the impact? Of course, companies were using AI for prescriptive analytics, right? So we had this prescriptive analytics they were using for classification or regression. And then comes Gen AI. So from the mid of 2022, we have chatbots. The man-machine interface has tremendously improved, and the companies are using assistants for content summarization, for having better interaction on their customer service. And then we have agentic AI, where we can reimagine the business process automation. So it depends on where the company wants to really invest in AI. There are very price performance solutions like the Intel Intel-based CPUs that run on AWS C7i that gives excellent price performance for building inference solutions. So it depends on what and where you want to use AI. So SLM in a box is an extremely innovative concept. So this collaboration between EAN, between Intel and with AWS gives a very new product to the market, which is SLM in a box. Now what exactly is it? So if you are looking at price performant, extremely very good inference solutions, then SLM in a box is one click where Intel-based CPUs runs on AWS C7i. You can install the entire retrieval augmented generation architecture using OpenBinIO integrations to have your chat in the bot. You can have your summarization. You can have AI assistants that do most of the tasks that usually companies use AI assistants for using the SLM in a box. The biggest advantage is the price advantage. So here it is not token based, which means you can have a C7i using Intel CPUs in your enterprise, and this can run 24/7 and you have a fixed cost. It's not like, when you scale out the number of users, so you have, let's say you had 5 users and you had a certain bill because, from ChatGPT or from any token based service, but inference service, right? But with SLM in a box, you can hit your C7i on which a price performance model is running 24/7, and you will have a very, very contained cost for the same kind of performance for inference.